Good morning, children. I'm Kesan sir from Dr. Bisan School, working as a mathematics teacher. So, in previous class, our topic numbers. Today also we have to continue the same topic numbers only. So, what is our topic today? Numbers. Numbers. In previous class, up to page number 9 we have completed. Now come to page number 10. Once you see the page number 10, page number 10, page number 10. Now I can distinguish between natural numbers and whole numbers. See, distinguish between natural and whole numbers. So in this there is a tick mark or into, you can write tick. Why? Because you have learned the difference between the natural numbers and whole numbers. Now you can do it or not, so put tick mark. Next, represent natural numbers and whole numbers on number line, and whole numbers on number line. So for this, what you can say, yes or not? Yes, represent natural numbers and whole numbers on number line. So what we have to do this? Yes, I can. Next, add and subtract using a number line. Add and subtract using a number line. Using a number line. What you can say about this one? This is also, you can say yes. So that reason you have to say put tick mark in the boxes. So once you see the page number 10, next, now see, here one pep is there. This is research say that our brain produces as many as 70,000 thoughts in one day. How many thoughts? 70,000. 70,000 thoughts in one day. Okay, so 70,000 thoughts in one day. Now what would be the possible number of thoughts produced in 1 year? In 1 year, can you find it or not? Yes, you can find it. So per day, 1 day 70,000. So per 1 year, so for 1 year, how many thoughts? Just you have to find. This activity you have to do your own. So this activity, do it in this. Understood? So this is 1.11. Now it's over. Next. Now come to next topic, page number 11. Page number 11. Page number 11. Observe this Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. We have a periods. What I explained, we have a in Indian system of numeration. We have a periods ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, like that. I explained. Next, so here in the page number 11, observe here ones. Ones, this is ones, tens, hundreds, hundreds. Okay. Next period, thousands, thousands. So in this, so here 3 place values, here 2 place values. So what are those? Actually, in previously thousands and 10,000s. So here in CBSE, ONES ones and tens written. Don't get confused. Ones and tens means ones means thousands, 1,000s means tens means 10,000s. Okay, ones in thousands. Okay, tens 10,000s. That is only. Next, lakhs. Lakhs in this 2 periods. The first one again ones means lakhs. Next 10 lakhs, that means tens. Tens. This is only. So in previously ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So that ones means what? 1,000s, thousands, tens, 10,000s, ones, 1 lakhs, tens, 10 lakhs. So this is only. Okay. There is no difference between in previous and this one. So in CBSE, in your book, like this it is given. You have to understand. So from this, what we can get? How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. 7 digits. Now, if we have to increase 8 digit or 9 digit, next one more period we have to write. One more period. That is what? Crores. That is what? Crores. So once, tens, hundreds, next thousands, ones and tens. Next period, lakhs, ones and tens. Next period, crores, ones, tens. Okay. So this is only Indian system of numeration. Now how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for 9 digit number, we have to use these many periods. Understood or not? In the place values, so ones, tens, hundreds, means thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Like this only we have to use. Next. So come to page number 12. Page number 12. Hands on given. Once you observe this page number 12, hands on. hands on. Hands on, with the help of your teacher, from 9-digit number, using the number train given at the end of your studio, write down the number names for at least 6 numbers. So you have to write 9-digit number, 9-digit number. So suppose say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it 9-digit number or not? So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, next 10 crores. Okay, so 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So Indian system of numeration, comma, comma, comma. So 98 crores, 76 lakh 54,321. This is the one example. Okay, this is it 9-digit number or not? Yes. Okay, so how to read and how to write? How to read? See, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 98 crore, 76 lakh, 54,329. So you have to write 9-digit number and number name also. How many? See, at least 6 numbers. So at least 6 examples you have to write your own. Okay, interchange all these numbers, so you can write it. Okay, so this is the hands on, the page number 12. Once you see the page number 12, first one, hands on, the first one. Next, come to down. Next, we read it as, seen, one example is given. That example I will write on blackboard. Once you concentrately observe this one. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this is ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. So what is the number name? 29 crore, 29 crore, 34 lakh, 34 lakh, 62,000, 62,000, 110, 110. This is the number name for this. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9-digit number. 29 crore, comma, 34 lakh, comma, 62,110. So this is the example. Okay, this one 12th, you have some empty space, no? In that empty space, you have to write in your studio book with pencil. you by using pencil only you have to fill this. Understood? So note down this. Okay, next come to page number 13. So which page number? Page number what? 13. Now page number 13. Page number 13, once you open, all of you open page number 13. See here 1.13. Observe here, states population, states and population next numbers with commas, numbers with commas and last number names, number names. So this one we have to fill this. The first one, Tamil Nadu state name. What is the population? Say 72138,958. This is given. So first how to read? So first of all, same as this you can copy 72138,958. Now observe here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now crores. So 7 crores 21 lakh 38,958. This is the number name. So 7 crore 21 lakh 38,000 58. See, 7 crore 21 lakh 38,958. This is the first one we have completed. Understood? The next second one, West Bengal. So West Bengal, the second one, West Bengal population 9134 How to write the same number by using commas? So 91347736. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. So 9 crore, number name what? 9 crore 13 lakh 47,000 736 736 36. 36. Once you observe. So 9 crore. 9 crore. 13 lakh. Okay. 47,736. Okay. Once you observe this one. Next. Third one. Maharashtra. Third one. Now observe this one. Maharashtra. Maharashtra, the population one two three 72972. Okay, so this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 11 crore, 23 lakhs, 72,972. So this is one period, this is ones period. Next, this is thousands period, this is lakhs period, this is crores period. Now number names 11. Okay, 11 crores, 11 crore, 11 crore, 23 lakh, 72,000, 72,000, 972. Observe here. 11 crore. Okay. 23 lakh. 72,972. So this is the Maharashtra population number with commas and number names. Next, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. So observe, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, easily you can write it. Okay, so this is once I am reading 19 crore 92 lakh 81,477. Yes, once again 19 crore 92 lakh 81,477. So this one you have to write neatly. Next, last one, Bihar. So Bihar population, once I am reading, concentrately listen. 10 crore 38 lakh 4,637. This is the population, number with commas and number names. Last two you have to do the homework. Understood or not? So today's homework, write Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. Next to the page number 13. Page number 13. Last Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, the two you have to fulfill. Last fourth one, 1, 2, 3, fourth one and fifth one. These two I left. So you have to complete these two answers. Understood or not? So this is the homework you have to do today's in today's class. Understood? Thank you for listening. Thank you everybody.